The day. Here they are, of course, fallout continuing after the guilty verdict of former President Donald Trump. We have reaction from local analysts, especially now with Hunter Biden also in court today.
That's right. We're also talking about the need for food as food pantries are really stepping up ahead of the summer season and as school is letting out one less meal that some students will be getting.
Some cases, too, sometimes breakfast and lunch from schools. And as we'd mentioned, Hunter Biden, that trial beginning jury selection today. We have the latest with now both presidential candidates tied rather directly to trials.
We're going to move to the main desk and talk a little bit more about this. We start with President Biden's son, Hunter, appearing today in court after being accused of lying on government documents about using drugs while he tried to apply for a firearm. His father, President Joe Biden, said he won't comment on the cases against his son, but he loves and supports him. President Biden isn't the only candidate for the race for the White House who has been linked to a trial just last week. And of course, the fallout from that continuing this week on former President Donald Trump, that hush-money criminal trial. Locally, Dr. Jeff Bloodworth says this is unprecedented to have both candidates tied to trials during the campaign season. He doesn't think it will sway voters, however, in November, which is when voters will be making their choice.
There's a new treatment for ADHD and other cognitive issues. It uses a neurofeedback headband to increase blood flow and oxygen to the brain. The latest data from the CDC shows about 6 million kids in the U.S. have been diagnosed with some form of attention deficit disorder. And this comes as pediatricians and psychiatrists warn the number of children dealing with ADHD is likely much higher than that and growing. Doctors say the new drug-free treatment could change long-term outlooks when it comes to ADHD, specifically with ideas of being able to retrain the brains of those dealing with the condition.